Colby, how did you get there? Huh, baby? Colby!
Get it?
Put her down again, see if she gets back up.
Where are you going? Uh-oh. You there?
You gonna get up, Colbs? Oops. There we go. Get up. Pull.
Colby. She's got fascinated by
Hi, baby.
Come on, hon.
Colby, get him.
What are you doing, Wobbles?
Where are you going? Uh-oh, going after something. Daddy's drink.
Uh-oh. Big
I
gulp,
want
son.
it. I want it.
I guess we're stuck.